Guess what I got? I got this Hello Kitty waffle maker. It is so cute. I'm gonna make chocolate chip waffles. Also, I changed into my winter pajamas because it was getting way too cold. This one I got from YESSTYLE and it's like it's not that thick, but it's definitely for winter. Let's make some breakfast. This is my cute breakfast. I love how this turned out, and obviously today is my day off, so I get to do this, but as you see in my other videos, I barely like have any time to like prepare food and eat. I know this pancake looks really dry, but I don't really like putting syrup on my pancakes. And also this whipped cream is a pumpkin spice whipped cream and it tastes so good. I just washed up. I'm gonna get ready to head out. I'm gonna go to Bryant Park Winter Village for a little bit and we're gonna come back and eat hot pot, which I'm so excited for. I've never had hot pot at home, but I feel like it saves a lot of money and I bought all the ingredients, so. I'm wearing the Olen Complex 3 Con Gray and it makes my eyes look so big. Like, look at the difference. Good morning. Today we are going to Bath House, which is a spa located in Brooklyn. They were nice enough to invite me and my boyfriend to experience their spa and I'm so excited. I've never been there, so So I just set this up right now. I got this like a long time ago and I just never built it, but it was like so easy to install. I got this pegboard and it's a lot bigger than I imagined. I didn't even like read the measurements. I'm gonna decorate it very soon. I did so much cleaning. I cleaned the bathroom, I cleaned my room, my closet. Now I just have to vacuum and like finish up. But today Jessica is coming over to stay for a few days, so that's why I was cleaning. I don't want her to come to like a dirty, messy house. So yeah, I'm gonna get dinner with her.
I'm back in the vlog, guys. Just missed me. We're going to ZILLABEAU. It's a Mediterranean restaurant.
So I just came back home. I'm not done with work yet, but I have like a 2-hour break because I finished everyone so early. So I wanted to make something like a little snack. I got a Hello Kitty toaster. Hello, this is so cute. I was literally trying to make some toast and the fire alarm rang. Maybe it smelled burnt. It is a little burnt. The other one got stuck in the toaster, so I do not recommend that Hello Kitty toaster. Do not get that. And I'm gonna put some strawberry jam, and I have this Miffy butter knife that I got from YESSTYLE, and it is so cute.
Guys, guess who I am? I'm Nanami. I invited her out to gopchang, but she didn't come. I smell like gopchang. Do you smell it?
No, I don't smell it.
Really?
But that's what I'm making.
Cute. Fine, love you guys. Guys, these are the 2 lip tints that you must buy for this Amazon.
Okay guys, I'm back home and I'm actually hungry now, so I'm gonna make omurice. And I saw this really cute Pinterest photo of like eggs on top of fried rice, and there were like ham bows on it. I know it's like you can't imagine it, but it was so cute, so I want to make that today. I'm actually not gonna make the fried rice myself because I love kimchi fried rice, but I don't have kimchi at home, so I'm just gonna use frozen fried rice that I got from Costco. So this is what I came up with. I put like little bows on the omelet, and I couldn't film it because it was so hard to make that bow shape. And I put some fruits because I don't have lettuce or any type of vegetables in the house. I'm back home from work and I have to make dinner. I don't know what to make. Yesterday, my best friend came over and she got me a bunch of groceries. I'm so thankful for her. Today, I'm gonna keep it super simple and I'm gonna eat this one. This is like basically spaghetti, but like a spicy version. So today is Pepero Day and my boyfriend got me Pepero. I'm so happy. So my friend actually got me a bunch of these kimbap and I'm really hungry right now, but I have 5 minutes before I go to work. It's microwavable and it's vegan too. It's like interesting because we usually don't eat kimbap like hot. Pretty good. But the issue is it keeps falling apart. I have to go to work, so I think I'm just gonna bring this with me. So I'm back home from work and today's Sunday, so we ended a little earlier. I was so hungry and my coworkers were all hungry, so we decided to go to K-Town. So I'm just gonna get ready and change and leave. Morning guys, today is another day off. I'm starting off the day with some Thai food. I have leftover curry and then there's some leftover fried rice. So I just got a call from the salon saying that somebody asked for a house call. And I know when they say VIP client, most likely a celebrity. So I try to go. I don't know why, but my luck with celebrities has been so bad. Every time like somebody asks to come for a VIP client. First time it was for a K-pop girl group, my favorite one. They asked us, but they didn't want me there because I spoke Korean, which I kind of understand. And then the second time I had like a bunch of clients that day, so it was just kind of like rude for me to cancel all of them for like a celebrity. I feel like I should have. My mom was yelling at me for it because it was like a big celebrity. Hopefully this time it works out. I took a really big nap because I don't know why I was so tired. And I didn't really do anything after I came back home from the salon. I have to edit my video after this. But yeah, that's all I've been doing really. And I made rosy tteokbokki, so I'm gonna eat that. I added like bulldog noodle and it looks so good.
이도나 씨, 보고 따라오세요.
아 선생님 죄송한데 할게요.
So that is it for this what I eat in a week. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you guys in my next video.